you can call me Libby, and it's been a minute, huh? I haven't gotten any boxes in a couple of months because I have been sort of changing sizes and didn't really have a handle on what I would need, what I had that would still fit, kind of the holes in my wardrobe, and I was hoping that I would continue changing a little bit and then kind of level off. So here we are. This is a big crapshoot. I have no idea if any of this is going to work, but it is, you can't see that. It is a Stitch Fix. And if you have never tried a Stitch Fix before, it's a clothing box. You can kind of do it as you want. You know, I would like to put in a stitch and order a fix, and you get inspiration sent to you and kind of pin items that you like. You can also provide some feedback on what you're looking for, what your style is, what your style isn't. And when you get the fix, it's $20. You get the return envelope for anything that you don't keep. And then I got 2 little bundles this time, and plus the information. So here is bundle 1. Okay. And here, ooh, it's fuzzy, is bundle 2. So let me move the box. I don't want to look at prices because that tends to sway me. You get a little, oh, hello, information. Check out our app. Okay. So here's the note from my stylist. Okay. Hey, Elizabeth, happy Fix Day. Happy New Year and welcome back. It's so great to have you back for another assortment. I hope you had a wonderful holiday season and are ready to receive your very first fix of the new year. I was so pleased to see that you experienced your very first 5 for 5 and that you fell in love with the items that were selected for you today. I don't think so. There were some that I picked that I was like, okay, I'll try on, but I don't think I picked off 5 of them. Anyway, my desire is to keep this going and to provide you with another chance to keep all 5 items. I was also really excited when I saw that you had the chance to review the preview, there we go, that was sent to your email, and that you selected 3 items to place in today's fix. I noticed your request for full-length joggers as well as sweaters, and I was more than happy to fulfill those requests for you. Try pairing the jogger you selected with the style pullover. Best, Maya. And then they give you kind of ways that you can wear your items. And then this is the pricing. And you do get discounts if you keep certain number of items that you send. So let's just go through, pull them out, initial impressions, and then I will try them on. I'm going to try the one that's a solo because it is fuzzy and squishy. Sorry for the paper rustling here. Okay. This is RD Style. It's the Robin Hooded Tunic Pullover in brown. It's a 1X. This is sort of more kind of camel-y, mauve, however you say it, than kind of traditional brown. It's got a purpley kind of tint to it. It's super soft. It's just kind of straight. It's got a little tiny bit of a ribbing. It looks like it's more of a tunic length, and it's got a hood with a tie. So I don't know if this is going to be kind of shapeless and too big or too kind of frumpy, but it's super soft. So that's a bonus. Okay, second bundle. Okay, up first, this is by 9 Britain. It's the Billy tie front brushed knit top in burnt orange in a 1X. This does have the tie in the center. Little cuffs. Just kind of a crew neck. It's an interesting material. It looks like long johns, but it's thicker. It's a thicker material than long johns, but it's kind of see-through. I don't know. I don't know about this. I really don't. I'm going to give it a shot. Okay. It reminds me a little bit of like a fall. Oh, this is kind of funny. Look what I have on. And look what they sent me. It's the same sweater in different colors. I'm not mad. It's super cozy. This one is the Market and Spruce Sandra crew neck sweater in burnt orange and a 1X. It feels the exact same. I'll have to check this one out, but I think it's the same sweater. It just is in red and orange and gray instead of sort of a rusty and a green and a gray. Oh, that's really funny. Okay, so I really need joggers. That's why I requested them. I have one pair of joggers that I love, but they are ginormous on me now. And I went to see if I could find, you know, them in a different size. And they're pajama pants. I have literally just been wearing them like joggers. I didn't know. I just love the material. But needless to say, they do not have them in black anymore. So this is a blue. This is We Wander. It's the Lily Mid-Rise Skinny Fleece Jogger in navy and 2X. Kind of flat on the front. It's an elastic. It does have side pockets in it. And a cuff at the bottom like a jogger. They're thick. These are definitely thick material, and I don't know if you can see the fleece lining here. I'll try them on. I'm not sure about fleece lined pants, but I will tell you one of the results of sort of my journey lately is I'm freezing all the time, so this might be good. And then the last thing, these are MPG Sport, a net jogger in dark green and 2X. Okay, so these are just elastic. They have a drawstring. They've got pockets. I do not know how that is going to look. They're kind of saggy pockets. It has a seam down the center and kind of looser cuffs at the bottom. I wouldn't say this is a dark green. This is sort of a heathered green gray. But I'm going to give them a shot and see if any of this works. I don't think that orange tie front is going to work. And I'm not sure about these joggers, but I'm going to give it a shot. So please feel free to comment, because I don't know what looks nice on me anymore. All right, I'll be back with outfit number 1. Thanks. Okay, the pants are a no. Like, I feel like they're just, this is not flattering on my body. They are too big. There's too much material through this general area. They're very comfortable. They're very soft, but they do not work. These are a return. Now, the shirt. It's fine. There is no way to adjust this tighter. I wish there was, because it might, you know, give it a little more shape. I just feel like it doesn't do a whole lot for me. Here's the close-up. Oh, it's just got this. It's fine. I'm not sure what to do. Like, I feel like if I leave it down, that does nothing for me, right? Here's the back. So I just feel like this is a miss. It doesn't work. It's comfortable. That's about it. So I'm going to try the next pair of joggers and the hoodie, and we'll see how that works. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, I changed my mind. I will try it with the sweater first and then the hoodie next. The sweater is great. It is, it's just like the other one. It's very comfortable. Material's nice. It's fuzzy, but it's not bulky. It can be tucked in, worn out. It's nice. I don't know if I want to have 2 sweaters that are the same with different colors. I don't know if they look too similar or not. Okay. So this is something I'll have to think about. What do you think? Is this a keeper? Here's the back. Let me show it to you up close. It's just the crew neck. It's got sort of a rolled sleeve edge here. So it's a little different than my other one, but it's sort of a rusty, white, orange, and a gray. The pants. The pants are gonna fall down if I move too quickly. They're too loose and too saggy here. I don't know if you can see, but I got lots of extra material happening. They're not sweltering. I thought that they would be really, really hot, and they're not. They're comfortable, they're just too big. They will slide down. I don't know. I gotta keep looking. I don't know. Maybe joggers aren't the thing for me. Do you have joggers that you really like? Is there a brand, a style? Like, I think also because these are mid-rise, I'm used to wearing things up higher, that I also feel very kind of insecure, you know, that it's gonna slide down. So these are a no. The joggers are a no, but I'm gonna keep them on and try the hoodie, and we'll see if the hoodie's a keeper. Okay, I'll be back. If it was about that much shorter, I would be all in. It's super comfortable. The color is neutral. It would go literally with anything. It's got ties. The ties are a little difficult to get untied. This one's got a knot in the center, but anyway, it's super cozy. Look, it's got a hood that actually fits over your head. It's not like the kind that are real short, but I also feel like it is about 6 inches too long. Oh, let me show it to you close up. See, it's got a little bit of a cuff. It's sort of a fuzzy, nubby material, but cozy. It's got a little bit of a V-neck, lots of room here. The ties work. They actually work. The bottom, it's a little bit of a ribbing. This is not it, right? This is not it. I don't really wear leggings as like bottoms. I wear them under dresses that typically come to the knee. So even though this is really long, I would not feel comfortable. I don't know. I have to be open to things, right? New body, new outlook, new wardrobe, but still the scared Elizabeth inside. I don't know if you can relate to that. Here's the back. I don't think I can rock this, right? Be honest. I'm going to put my original clothes back on, and then I'm going to go through the prices and final comments, and then please comment below and let me know. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, so let's take out the price sheet. All right, so this is the RD style Robin hooded tunic pullover in brown. In 1X, it is $74. That is a lot of money. But it's also a lot of material, right? Okay, so in theory, awesome, too big, too bulky, just a little too much. Okay. So I think that one's gonna go back. The blue joggers. The blue joggers are We Wonder. They're the Lily Mid-Rise Skinny Fleece Jogger. Okay, I didn't feel like they were skinny, maybe the legs, but they're $72. Yeah, no. Nope, that's a no. Okay, the sweater that I have is Market and Spruce. It's the Sandra crew neck sweater in burnt orange in 1X, and it's $44. That's not bad for a sweater. I don't know, is it too close to this one? Should I just say no and send it back because it's too, it's the same thing. Then we have this. This one is the 9 Britain Billy tie front brush knit top in burnt orange in 1X, and it's $40. What did you think about this? I don't think it did anything for me, and I'm not sure, other than with a pair of jeans, what I would do with this. But let me know. Let me know. And then last are the really comfy joggers. These are the MPG Sport Annette joggers. These are in dark green. They must be on clearance because they're $36.97. It's weird. So the Stylist pick subtotal, if I kept all of them, was $266.97. If I would keep all of the items, it would give me a 25% discount of $66.74, which would make it be $200.23. And then they take off the styling fee of $20. So it would be $180.23 if I kept everything. To be perfectly honest, I'm not sure I'm going to keep anything from this. The last one was a 5 out of 5. It was great. I ended up keeping everything. Even the one when I pulled it out of the box, I was like, this is black. I don't really wear black. Dry skin issues, you know. And I ended up keeping it. I loved all of it. This is sort of a miss for me. It's okay. I don't wear athleisure very often. At home, I kind of bum around a little bit. Like, I don't look put together. My partner's probably like, can you get it together? So, hold on. I don't know. I'm getting a phone call, so I can't tell if it's still recording the video or if it's not recording the video. So I could be very much talking to myself. I don't know why the phone call is coming through. Anyway, so my partner's probably like, can you step up your game a little bit? But I have like little matching pajama sets. And then I look like a complete and total, you know, busted up girl on other days. So I wanted to kind of build up my athleisure or loungewear a little bit, at least have a pair of joggers that I could run around and do errands in. These are not them. Am I like barking up the wrong tree? Should I not look for joggers? Is there something else that I should be looking for as I figure out holes in my wardrobe and my sizes? So please give me any advice. I really appreciate it. Thanks for coming along on this journey with me. Hopefully I'll be picking up my subscription boxes a little bit more. I did get as a birthday present Goddess Provision boxes for a year, so I am super excited about that. I got my first one, but I'm going to wait till Friday. It's my birthday, so I'm going to open it up then. So I will make videos of those, a little different than clothing, but I'm really excited about it. So anyway, thanks so much for coming on the journey. Maybe subscribe if it's something that you're interested in or you see yourself in me, because you know, I'm a middle-aged lady who's trying to figure her stuff out. I hope you have a great day. Thanks again. See you soon.